Hi guys, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will unlocking the secrets of 1993 UK Elizabeth II £1 coin. Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics to explore the 1993 UK Elizabeth II £1 coin. Is it just another coin in your pocket, or could it be hiding a valuable secret? Let's find out. Introduction. Here it is, the 1993 £1 coin featuring the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Many of you may have one of these in your collection, but have you ever wondered if it's worth more than its face value? Historical context. Before we dive into the value, let's set the stage. The 1993 £1 coin is a part of a series minted during the early 90s, marking a transition in the UK's coinage. It features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a design symbolizing the United Kingdom on the reverse. Value assessment. Now, the burning question, is this coin valuable? While it's a common find in circulation, some factors can make it more valuable than you might think. Check for any minting errors, variations, or if it was part of a limited edition set.to gain more insight. I spoke with coin expert Dr. Numis. Dr. Numis, what should collectors look for in the 1993 £1 coin? Look for any misprints, double strikes, or variations in the design. Coins with these features are often more sought after by collectors. Market trends. So, what's the market saying about the 1993 £1 coin? Recent trends indicate a growing interest in coins from this era, especially those in pristine condition. Keep an eye out for coins in uncirculated or proof sets, as they tend to fetch higher prices. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the 1993 UK Elizabeth II £1 coin may not be worth millions, it certainly has value beyond its face value for collectors. Check your collection, inspect for unique features, and who knows, you might have a hidden gem. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into numismatics. Until next time, happy collecting.